Welcome to Silly Bob Science. My name is Professor Silly Bob. Today we are going to do an experiment, and if it works, we might not see the results at all. Ha! That's because we are going to make some invisible ink. Now, invisible ink is a substance that when you use it to write messages, it disappears and you can't see it any longer. At least, not unless you know the secret way of revealing the message. I once wrote my Christmas list to Santa using invisible ink. Mind you, I didn't get anything that year. That might have been a mistake. For this experiment, we will need some water, a lemon squeezer, a lemon, something to mix the lemon and water in, like a beaker. And then to write the message, we'll need a cotton bud, or Q-tip as it's known in some places, and some paper. Let's do this experiment.
Remember, even Silly Bob knows you have to be safe when you conduct science experiments. Always wear protective equipment and have a responsible adult present.
How does this experiment work? Well, the answer lies in the fact that we use lemon juice, which contains citric acid. The citric acid in the lemon juice is clear at room temperature, but when it was heated up, then it restored its yellow colour, and that made us able to read the message. However, there are other ways that you can send secret messages as well. Check out this pen. It uses a special type of ink which can only be seen under a type of light called ultraviolet. When you use the ultraviolet light, the message becomes clear. You can use it to write any message or even draw a little picture. Thank you for watching Silly Bob Science. I hope you had a lot of fun learning about invisible ink, and I hope you have a lot of fun trying it out. I certainly did when I wrote some messages for Flo. My message is on one of these sheets of paper. Oh, I probably should have used black ink. See you next time. Hello!